The NeuroPilot is a EEG and robotics combined. So we use the headband to read some brainwave and then convert it in the back end into action and send it to our robotics. In this case, we are using a DJI Tello, which is easy to pilot or drive. So this application is simple. We'll just go log in. And then we have EEG device calibration. This one is this is where you will connect with the headband. So I am wearing the headband right now and connecting with. Okay, I have successfully connected via Bluetooth. So I'm gonna start this. There, so we are now reading some brainwave coming from my brain and headband. So yeah, we have delta, theta, alpha, beta, and gamma. Delta is where everything gets dumped, so any action, any movements, any thinking. Gamma is where you do some deep thinking when you are in the zone. So it's a bit hard to control the gamma. So we're gonna have to be focusing on delta, theta, alpha, and beta. So this is like a guitar where you can pull strings. Right now you can always pull the delta. You can also pull theta and alpha. With the right amount of training and practice, you will be able to do it. Now let's go to the lab. This page is where you will spend most of your time. This is where you practice, train, and do some recording. So if you're going to stand in the center of your room, you're gonna enable the voice, and then you can say record, you can say stop in order to start recording and stop recording. So we have a simple simulation, which is 2D. Yeah, we can start. So I'm trying to move forward. And it keeps going left, so I need to work on that. And we also have here 3D, which is cool, but it has a lot of controls. We have start, take off, landing, left, right, side step, up, and lower at altitude. There's also turn right, turn left. So this is going to a lot of controls, lots of practice, and yeah, let's try it. So yeah, I've started it and then it moves forward, but right now, yeah, it recorded forward. There's also turn right, but it didn't turn right. It's weird. Yeah, so it's going to be need more practice on that. And this is where you can, so if you hit recording, it will record, and if you press stop, it's going to create a session. It's no name, and you're going to name it. So I suggest you make recordings 4 seconds only to make it accurate when matching. So I have here a few controls already, and once you're done, we're going to keeps moving forward. So let's go to machines, and we have here, this is my already created one. Let's add new one. Let's say arm. We're going to upload a blueprint, so we're gonna be looking for this one. So there it is, and you're gonna add controls like start. I'm gonna put it in here. So this one is a manual trigger if you want to click and then start the robotic, but you're gonna have to find some also start session like this. So this manual here, you can click and then start. So there's going to be a few codings to do before doing it. And we can also, our brainwave, we can also hide it. Let's add new rotation. And this one, I'm gonna change it to this. So yeah, it just rotates. So there's going to be a few fields that will open up here. Let's see how many degrees it will rotate. So this is only in the next phase how we will onboard new devices. So if we go back to machines and to drone, so right now I have the DJI Tello fully onboarded. I have added the controls here. There's also start, which is bind, which is bound to this start session. I have also forward, which is bound to this control. And if we're going to start simulator using our controls, so this is what's gonna happen. And also it recorded here how many times you trigger start and forward. Right now the only controls that are active is start and forward. I tried last time to enable all, so it was a bit messy. I still need more practice and training. So it's like a driver's license. You're gonna get your driver's license first, and then connect. This is where you connect to the real device. Above is the DJI and the below is the Muse.